Salam salam. Hello my friend. Today we are going to learn about parts of head. Parts of head. አካላት ርእሲ አካላት ርእሲ so ፀጉሪ hair መትለሕ temple እዝኒ ear መዓጽፍ እዝኒ earlobe ምዕጉርቲ cheek አፍ mouth kempfer lip, you can see that. And on this side ግንባር is forehead, shefashifti, see this eyebrow is shefashifti. ቅርኒብ is eyelash, አይኒ an eye, አፍንጫ nose, መንቀና አፍንጫ is nostril, መንቀና አፍንጫ. And መንጋጋ is jaw, መንከስ, this one is chin, መንከስ መንጋጋ መንቀና አፍንጫ አይኒ ቅርኒብ ሸፋሽፍቲ ግንባር is forehead, ፀጉሪ መትልሕ እዝኒ መዓጽፍ እዝኒ ምዕጉርቲ አፍ ከንፈር. Good. So let's see another way of remembering them, another way without using the picture. I want you to remember them. So ፀጉሪ is hair, መትልሕ is temple, እዝኒ ear, መዓጽፍ እዝኒ is earlobe. ምዕጉርቲ cheek, አፍ mouth. ከንፈር lip, forehead is ግንባር, ሸፋሽፍቲ is eyebrow, ቅርኒብ eyelash, አይኒ eye, አፍንጫ nose. About this ones, መንቀና አፍንጫ is nostril. መንቀና is like gate ማለት you. It's a gate. መንቀና is gate. መንቀና አፍንጫ. Gate of the nose. መንቀና አፍንጫ nostril. መንጋጋ jaw. መንከስ chin. መንከስ መንጋጋ መንቀና አፍንጫ nostril. አፍንጫ nose. አይኒ eye, ቅርኒብ eyelash. ግንባር forehead, ሸፋሽፍቲ eyebrow, So let's go back again. My friend, let me put this way so that you can remember them. ፀጉሪ መትልሕ እዝኒ መዓጽፍ እዝኒ, this area. Can I use another arrow so that you are able to differentiate them? Okay. Sometimes. So the things that I am saying, this is ma'atzif, is earlobe. Remember that. Izni, ma'atzif, izni. Folded area of the ear ማለት you. Okay. Cheek is معقورتي. This is cheek. The entire area is this one. Mouth is, of course, we are talking about here. You know, the entrance of your this is mouth, af. Kemfer is lip. Gumbar is this one, gumbar. Shafashifti, the eyebrow. Qarnib is, qarnib is what? Eyelash, an eyelash. Aini is, of course, this one. And afincha, this is afincha. And menkana afincha are the nostrils, the openings of the nose. Menkana, afincha, menkana, afincha. And mangaga is this area of your face on both sides. This area and that area is called mangaga, jaw. Mankas is, of course, this part of the face, and that is chin, mankas. I hope it is clear. See you in the next video.